ASIST is Applied Suicide Intervention Skills Training, and it is a 2-day interactive workshop that helps equip participants with an ability to intervene in a suicide. It's like suicide first aid.
Suicide's affected me personally twice in my life. My biggest fear in life is that someone that I care about will take their own life. So I really want to learn the skills to support the people around me.
Usually when people say that, man, they're thinking about suicide. Is that what you're thinking about right now?
Yeah.
The role play was a great way to get into the application of these skills and really talk to people, asking the uncomfortable questions and really seeing how people respond to them.
The role play actually has 2 components. One of those is to see what it's like to be a caregiver and to see how difficult that can be at times. Sometimes just to ask someone the question, are you having thoughts of suicide? The second component is role playing how to be a person with thoughts of suicide. And so by doing the role play, people learn both sides of the equation, how difficult it can be, and how to respond in a way that, that gives them confidence to be able to intervene and help someone with thoughts of suicide.
I took this workshop that way I would be better equipped to deal with any situations that my Marines might run into. This class should be a requirement for all Reserve Marines because they have to balance maintaining all the same standards that we do in addition to their day-to-day work life. There is this negative stigma, so people will not get help or they will not bring them to light and they'll just let them fester, and that's what ultimately could lead to a suicidal situation because they leave things unchecked.
As a chaplain, we actually teach a lot of different classes on resources for people, but ASIST is one of my favorite, or what I think most helpful. Through ASIST, I'm able to equip other people with skills to impact a far greater sphere of influence, which not only gives them a sense of a positive purpose, but it also actually ends up saving lives on a regular basis, and for that I'm grateful.